to Train SimWorld 6, and today we are in Germany. Yeah, and today we are going to be driving a very specific train that I've always wanted to stream, and it is this. I have no idea what this is. Well, I guess it's a German locomotive, but in GBRF livery. We got a lot of freight, so we're going to be driving this. So we're probably gonna drive that train, probably to, I don't know, this station or whatever. Well, how far is that? Okay, it's not too far, but yeah. So let's so let's get into it. Oh. Before I get in the cab, you know what I'm about to say. Let's play Train Sim! Yeah, Train Sim. Okay, so let's get in the cab. I believe it's this door. Yep, it is. Climb up the steps. Ooh. Okay, now shut the door. Now have a nice sit down. Lovely. Okay, master key on. Put him forward. Train brake cut out in. Headlights on, brakes. We'll have it on brake 1. Is it on brake 1? Let's put it to brake 2. Okay, now let's. There we go. Now we can set a path. Let's go. So where should we go? Let's go here. Not the greatest place, but yep, we can do. Do we have a red signal? Nope. Okay, so we can go. So brakes off. Are we hooked up? Let me check. Are we hooked up? Yep, hooked up. Now running. Quick release. There we go. Beautiful. Now we get a little. That's brake. Let's give it a little bit of throttle. Throttle 2, no throttle 4. Oh, sorry. Look at that. Oh, sorry. That is a really cool shot. Lovely. We did 16 kilometers per hour. Got green signal. Thank you for letting me go. Well, I don't even know what this even is. So I'll press that again. There we go. Superangelson. Now let's go max power. Go. Yeah. Lovely. We got Emily, get on the move. I'll do that again. And it tells me, would you look at that? Well, I literally just did that. Now where's the where is it? Here it is. Now we need to press that again. Wait. Oh. Wait, what? So just both? Huh. I didn't know that. Whee! Lovely. Yeah. It's very peaceful. Like, and we go to the other cab. Yeah, let's go to the second cab. Ooh. Oh, just seeing that like wobbling, that's actually really cool. And now we're back to the first cab. Sit down, lovely. And now I can actually see where I'm going now. Yeah. I actually like these trains, they're actually quite cool. Cool. Oh, that's actually a cool shot. I like that. We're gonna go, 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 go. Meow. Oh, that is cool. Yeah, that is a cool shot. I know, let's Oh, that is actually quite cool. It's going underway. To be fair, I don't even know what this train's even called. Oh, I just went to photo mode. I mean, if you want, you can. Oh, what am I doing? How do I go? No. What's the horn even going off for? Okay, well, I don't even know what that even was. Oh my god, I keep getting to photo. Bro. Okay. Yeah, that is a cool shot. Please don't tell me about the switch check. Oh, thank goodness. I think we'll slow down a little bit because we don't want to break the speed limit or whatever. Because we are not breaking the speed limit, but I want to be a train driver when I grow up. And this is me practicing, I would say. Now, am I at the station platform? Yes, I am. I mean, I don't know if this even is a platform, but I mean, it looks like one to me. Yeah, underway. Okay, so that's why I slowed down because the speed limit's changed. Now apply 2 brakes, if we can. Yep, slowing down. Oh, got a sharp corner there. Oh, look how sharp that corner is. Look how sharp it is. I actually really like this horn. It's actually a good horn. And now brakes release. And brakes on. And release. Brakes on. And release. Yeah, that's all I like it. Let's do a double to the horn. Apparently this is this horn. So it can actually. So I wonder if you can do that somehow. Like I don't know what to do on my controller. Like I know high low is just. So and then if I press the horn button again and then press X, it makes a low noise. But apparently you have to hold it. Oh yeah, I don't even know. Oh, max power. Oh god. Let me open this window. Wait, if I open the cab door, then I can actually hear it. Yeah, I heard it. First of all, have a nice sit down. Whee! Aw, leaf tree. Why tree? Why? Ooh. This is a very thick tree. How thick it is? Can we go up it? Oh. It's very steep. It's very steep there. Ooh, we got some. I mean, it is turning autumn now, so. Oh. Where's my train gone? Here it is. Oh no! We're in a tunnel. No, we want cab light. There we go. Hey, we're in a tunnel. Oh my god, this tunnel's massive. Right, let's go max power. Excuse me. Let's go. Wait. Oh, so this train did 200 miles per hour. No, kilometers per hour. Sorry. Train line. Start. Nah. I'll just put on. I don't even know what it is. Super unusual. I don't speak a different language, bro. Well, I mean, I can speak a bit of German a bit. Like, I don't know, like, hola, as a venture or something, if that helps you a bit. Ooh. Is this like a station? Is this? Wait, oh no. It looks like a ghost train. Oh, there's the end. I see it. Hip hip hooray! Yeah. Hip hip hooray! Yay! We see daylight. Ooh, what's this? Oh. Okay. Well, I don't know. Wait. Oh yeah. I put it in river. No. Oh no. Why did I do that? No. Stop. No. Release. Quick. No, don't break. No, don't break. No. Oh, this game. No, release, please, release. Can we go neutral? No, we cannot. Okay, release, please. No. Throttle up. No, throttle up. Look down. Wait, oh no. Throttle up. No. Wait, release, for God's sake. Release, right now. Oh no, mission failed. No. Guess, couldn't make it. No. Release, no. Well, that's what happens when I get distracted. I accidentally put it into neutral. Wow. When I'm just messing with my controller and I accidentally press the down button. Oh, Harry. Guess that's bad. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll end the video here. Why not? Focus captor. Oh, I just fell out of the world. What? I just fell out of the world. I'm still falling. Why am I still falling? I just fell out of the world. Fell out of the world. I'm still falling. Like, I'm going photo mode. No, I cannot. Oh, what can I do? What? I just fell out of the world. Okay. I'm returning to the menu. Oh my god, what was that? So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that I fell out of the world and then I accidentally put it into neutral. But, so I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now!